I had a little thought today while I was cleaning up my rabbits. We have this really big oak tree that isn't actually in our garden, but it sort of hangs over our hutches, gives it a lot of shade, which is really good in this sort of weather. And there's always acorns all through autumn every year, obviously. Well, end of summer, autumnish, and they're always all like already gone by the birds. So I was walking away from the tree, and I was probably like quite a few feet away, and I looked and I was like, oh my god, there's still loads of green acorns on there. So I got a garden chair and stood to see if I could reach any high ones, but I couldn't. So I just grabbed loads of the lowest ones, as you saw. And basically, when I was about 5 or 6, I used to collect acorns with my dad whenever we went on walks. And one time, my dad convinced me that they would grow into trees. So we picked up probably about 6 acorns, and all of them ended up growing into mini oak trees. And we ended up planting them at my old primary school, and that's probably one of the only positive memories I've really got from my sort of childhood. Like, so I really wanted to try and do it again, just see if it would work, see if I can do it, because my dad was like, my nan's like real into gardening all her life, so he was brought up around it, whereas like me, like, no idea, mate. So yeah, I will keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed this really short little weird video, but yeah, thank you for watching.